Hello and welcome. So I'm at Caravan Salon, and what I want to do is to show you this slide out, which I think has huge possibilities for converters and what it can actually offer. In this case, we've got a side slide out, which you can see here in a panel van. And now what has been done in this case is to actually have a walk around bed, but you might think that that is not absolutely necessary. You could actually have a slide out coming out backwards. Now in this case you can achieve a length of 2 meters from the slide out, a width of 140 centimeters. Let's come inside and see how it works. Now this solution has been used by Innova, which road trip you can actually get one of their vehicles with something like this. But for those who don't want to slide out going that direction, of course you could have the slide out going that direction, as it is for example with the James Cook from Westphalia. And that indeed really can allow a huge amount of space. And for example, with a 541 centimeter long motorhome, camper van, that it really can increase the space quite considerably, particularly for those people who are tall and do have problems with the bed in a camper van. Of course, the problem with the camper van walls in many cases, particularly if you take the Mercedes for example, it slopes up like that. I'm exaggerating a bit, but not a great deal. This allows for other things, for example normal shower and toilet units. This of course is just a demonstration of what can be done, so it hasn't been kitted out entirely. Let's have a look also at some of the sizes that you can actually achieve by this. And so you don't have to have a huge thing like they do in the United States. You can go for something much smaller, such as this. Now these slide outs themselves can be both electric and manual, wind out, slide out. And that for those who are worried about not actually getting the slide out slid in because of electrical failure or something like that, I think that's also interesting. Of course, even with the electrical slide out, there is a manual override to it. This I think can offer major possibilities for campers. So good, this comes from InnoSlide in the Netherlands, and you might actually you can look it up on the internet. If I remember, I'll stick you a link below, but for the moment, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting.